So yeah, I kind of got something to talk to y'all about later on in the vlog. Good morning. It is now first thing I need to start doing is cleaning this off. I really don't want to walk into 2021 in a chunky room. Like, I am somewhat good about it, but I'm not good about it. Plus, I need to get an habit, because if I'm planning on moving out, I don't want to start these same habits. Definitely am thankful, but that got to go finally. Okay, until I find my little to push yourself. You gotta push yourself to do right. And you gotta push yourself to be motivated to do right. Yes. Not no new year, new me. This is another way of saying new year, new me, but push yourself in 2021. I like that. I like that. I like that. That is amazing. Now, we did it. So I'm going to currently put a pause here and just, clean up, a little tidy up here and there. Take a little break. It's literally 12:20. We started about, I would say, we started cleaning about 11-ish. But we really done a lot. My closet floor is looking good. We have done a lot since. So take a break. spicy chips. So, taste it already, and I already took a bite of it. It's gonna be so good. This holiday was really, really good. Christmas holiday. I had to really tell myself, in spite of, it was good. My family was happy. I was happy. Somewhat happy. I wasn't down or depressed or anything like that. I was just shocked that this took place. The friend guy that I was telling you guys about, we are no longer a thing at this point, because I feel like he was just wanting someone to see. That chip looks so good. I'm ready to eat. Hold on. Game changer. But we are no longer a thing. I'm glad I didn't put him on YouTube just yet, because it would have been really, really sad, because we were so close to making a channel. But we talked about a year. We wasn't official. But we wasn't official, like, couple-wise. And it was very hard to go through this holiday knowing that he hasn't texted you good morning or Merry Christmas, or just to come by and get his Christmas present, because we went golfing. That was like 2 weeks ago, and that's when he gave me his Christmas present. I'm like, why? I mean, I was surprised that he did that, but why? And not on Christmas Day, like you promised, or you try to make an arrangement. He said that he was going to make an arrangement to see if he could come on Christmas Day. Apparently his people was in another part of NC. I believe it, but I don't believe it. I never gone a full day without talking to him, which is crazy. So why aren't we on speaking terms now? He wanted to meet at a park to exchange his Christmas gifts. Who does that? It was raining yesterday where we live. I didn't want to come out. I did go out, but when I went to Big Lots, but it stopped, but then the rain picked up, and then he had got off about 3:30. I was like, come meet me here and then exchange gifts. But I had to give him his gift because he had already gave me mine. So then he blew off with a big text message. It was like, oh, you played me, blah, blah, blah. Like, how did I play you? So, how did I play you? Please tell me. So, now, I'm like, wasting my whole time. He claimed that he seen me back in July. Like, I was wanting him to meet my parents, you know. Just come over and say hi. Like, we've been together for a year. Talking wise, not official wise, but why you can't come by and say hello? Or why I can't come to your people and say hello? Out of respect. Like, you see me every other weekend. We hang out, we talk. And why it's still, to this day, it's taking you forever in the day to ask that question. But I know some people don't want the title nowadays, but I don't want to play with feelings. And emotions. It's just not good at all. So I brought him a gift. Or whatever. Good gift. A great gift. I had it last Saturday. Waiting until today to give it to him, right? I never had it to begin with. How? I think it's another girl. Not being. In my opinion, I do. But I don't know. Or maybe he could have been married. But I just think it wasn't meant to be. It's just sad. So I've been an emotional eater. I'm gonna get it back off of me. At that, we wasn't together. Would have been devastating if we didn't show up for Christmas Eve. I mean, Christmas, if we were together. You know, in it this way and not, you know, take it to another level, because at the end of the day, eating it off ain't not good note, but about it, and it lets me know all I was just this and not more than that. I know my worth, and I'm glad that we are no longer together as far as talking wise. So I'm super glad about that. But this is the last vlog for now. I'm gonna take a break and then I'm gonna come back with a little pre-start, and then I'm gonna see what the part I'm gonna do. It says a little bit, but you guys know me, I go ham, and it has a white. Okay, so I am testing out the Milk Vegan makeup cleanser. This is like a cleanser that you can use without, you know, having makeup on, and also with makeup on. Now I use this right after I wiped off my makeup that I have for that day, and I just use it to see if it really got the most dirt off of my skin like it claims. Some products, you know, for their price range, $30. I just wanted to see what it would do, you know, on its own, and I did not really go in, you know, with my other products that I use. I just do what I normally do and see the result. It doesn't feel odd on the skin. It feels pretty good. It's almost this to set, and it doesn't recommend you to set it in. Feels so good, you guys, under the eyes. Like, I love it so much. Then I like to go in with the Nivea. This is the Simple Soft Body Lotion, which is my favorite. Everything, I don't feel any irritating products onto skin, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So, would I recommend it? I would. And